In this lesson, we will see what is Postman Collection, and at first we'll cover some theory and then we'll see how we can create collection using Postman. So let's see how we can do this thing one by one. So what is collection? A collection is a group of related API requests. That means whenever you create some API, you do some get request or post request, put request, delete request, this type of request. Okay, so you group them all together. So these are called collection. So that's why it is showing like this. Collection is a group of related API requests, and each collection can contain multiple folders and requests like get request, post request, put, delete, patch, and so many other requests. You can organize test cases or endpoints logically. So here basically we organize all the test cases. Some examples of collections are like for booking API contains this type of method like get booking method or post booking, put booking, delete booking, like this. And collection can also store this type of things: pre-request script or test or authorized details. So these are the things collection can store. Now let's go to the Postman and let's see how we can create the collection. So I'm going to open Postman, and once it is open like this, then we have to choose on workspace. So right now I'm in this workspace which is called manual API testing, and left side we see a couple of tabs are there like collection, environment, so many things are there. So to create a collection we have to come here. If we click here, we'll see like this type of thing, and there is a plus icon. We can create collection from here also or here also. So there are two options. If you click plus, then you can choose like this blank collection, or you can choose any template to create the collection, and also you can use this button to create the collection. I'm going to use this button to create the collection, and once you click over there, you'll see like this. This is a new collection, so we just need to name it. Like for example, I'm going to choose like SQL Booker, this API testing. Okay, so I'm going to choose this name over here, new collection. I'm going to name it like this by the collection name, RESTful book, this one. So I'm making it all a small letter, RESTful Booker collection, and I'm going to hit the enter key, and left side we will see RESTful Booker collection. So here right now it's empty, and right side here is the details. So here you can find different things are there like overview, auth, script, variables, runs, so many things are there. But for the time being, we don't need to learn anything. We just need to know how to create the collection and how to rename it. So in future, if you want to rename, you can just come here, just click there, and then you can click here. It will be selected, and then you can change your name. And after that, you can press return key of your keyboard to save the collection. So like that. So that's it. In this way we can easily create the collection, and after the creation of collection, we can add different requests under it or different folders under this collection name.